Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Welcome to your Tuesday. It's November the 12th. This is Acadiana Weather Today, a short morning chat on your upcoming weather conditions and how they're going to affect your day. It is crisp and cool out here as a little bit of dry air and a weak ridge of high pressure is settled in. And we've got clear skies right now, but we'll start to see some clouds rolling in as we head into the afternoon. A nice little breeze out here too, but skies are clear here in Lafayette and most of Acadiana. You start to reach the clouds as you get east of Baton Rouge over toward the New Orleans area, where the remnant moisture from Raphael is still bringing some showers farther to our east, and some of that moisture is going to work its way westward into our region later today. Fortunately, we're not dealing with the fog like we did early on Monday, as the roadways are nice and dry and the visibility is good, so you shouldn't have any problems getting to work or school on this Tuesday morning. As far as the students, it is a little on the chilly side. Some areas have dropped into the 50s. Other areas along and south of I-10 are hovering right around 60 degrees, but later today, pleasant temperatures, sunshine, some clouds will start to mix in later this afternoon, especially over the eastern half of Acadiana. Temperatures at pickup time should be around 79. Again, right now, most of our temperatures have dropped into the 50s with some low 60s closer to the coast. Skies are generally clear. Temperatures a little more mild off to the east, where we've seen some clouds and even some rain. So if you're doing some traveling toward the New Orleans area or maybe the beaches farther eastward, you are going to run into some rain. That's some remnant moisture that's left over from what was Raphael. And then we've got a bit of a weak system that's going to be zipping across the area in the mid-level pattern, and that's going to bring a cold front into the region as we head into Wednesday night and early Thursday. But for today, skies are generally clear over the Acadiana area. Those clouds will start to work to the west as that shortwave kind of ejects off toward the northeast. Eventually, we're going to see more of a trough digging in, and that's going to send a cold front through. And so after some showers and thunderstorms and the possibility of some locally heavy rain on Wednesday, it looks like we're going to finish the week on a dry and comfortable note. Thursday and Friday, we're looking at sunshine with highs back in the 70s. But there's the surface features. Again, a bit of a trough that's still left over from Raphael over southeastern Louisiana. That's going to get pulled into the next system that will wind up over West Texas and start to slide to the east, and a more significant trough is going to be rolling in here coming in into the early part of next week. As far as those skies, I think we'll start with sunshine, but some cloud cover will start to build, and I wouldn't be surprised to even see a couple of showers developing either later this evening or overnight tonight. But then on Wednesday, that will be our best chance for rain, and some of those downpours could be quite heavy. And remember, our western sections over the weekend picked up significant amounts of rain, so only a little bit is going to cause some problems with some flooding, and I think there's some chances we could see 2 to 3 inch rainfall totals on Wednesday over the western part of Acadiana, about 1 to 2 over the central and eastern, and then areas that are already seeing some rain over southeastern Louisiana could also top out with about a 2 to 3 inch rainfall total between now and the early part of the day on Thursday. Now, temperatures are going to be quite warm here as long as the sunshine sticks around, but notice the temperatures are a little cooler over around Lake Pontchartrain, the New Orleans area. That is going to be due to some cloud cover. As far as the waves and the seas, everything looking okay, although it is still a bit rough out there with those winds out of the north and northeast about 15 to 20 knots and seas running about 3 to 4 feet. We've got a small craft advisory for this morning for the far offshore waters, but that will expire by mid-morning. And skies are generally sunny, other than the area where we're seeing that bit of a trough that's left over from Raphael. We're also watching a bit of a tropical wave that's moving westward between Haiti, Cuba, and Jamaica, and the Central American gyre is going to kind of get a little more active. So there's a pretty good chance we're going to see a new tropical system developing over the western part of the Caribbean as hurricane season just wants to continue on. Remember, it doesn't officially end until the 30th of this month. So still seeing tropical systems in the Caribbean, not exactly the most unusual thing. Having those move into the Gulf of Mexico, though, is a lot more unusual. We'll talk more about that on Let's Talk Tropics. That'll be live today at noon right here on Acadiana Weather Today. Sunshine to start your day. Some clouds will start to roll in from east to west as we get into the afternoon. Temperatures hovering around 80. Again, cloud cover and some showers developing tonight, so not as cool, as lows will only drop to 70. 81 with showers and thunderstorms likely on Wednesday. Some heavy downpours will be possible. front pushes through and skies will gradually clear on Thursday. We'll see a high temperature near 75. Friday and Saturday looking great with sunshine and highs in the 70s and lows back in the 40s and 50s. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana weather today. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on those notifications. And don't forget, you can hear my forecast daily on Big 102.1, Planet Radio 106.7, and Freedom 95.1. And in between all those broadcasts, please follow my social media pages both on Facebook and X. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on Wednesday.